In this lesson, we're going to move the lead article, resize the description, and then move the lead article again into an area that works for the design. So let's work with the lead article first. That's the two top layers that I have in my document. Let's get the move tool and let's move it down a little bit. I like the size of the lead article heading, but I'm not so keen on the size of the description. Let's select that layer, do a Command T, and let's make that text a little bit smaller. Press return. I'm going to nudge the description up a little bit higher. And then with the move tool, I'm going to double click on the type to select it. And I'm going to delete so that the word description comes up to the first sentence. And then I can press delete and then enter to put of on the next sentence. And then press the space bar to make a space. And then press delete to put the second sentence to finish off the article description. When I fix that description, the area where the article and the description of the article are, I want to bring them down a little bit more now. Let's select both layers and let's nudge it down with the arrow key. This lesson will continue in the next video.